In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer Ethereum from Phantom Wallet to Binance. It's simple and quick, so let's get started. First of all, open the Binance app on your phone, then tap on the Wallet or Asset option at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Add Funds. Then select Crypto or Unchained Deposit. Next, search for ETH and select Ethereum. Then select the network. For example, I select ERC20. Now tap to copy your deposit address and go back to open your Phantom wallet. Then tap on Send. Now select Ethereum, paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier, and enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer. Tap Next, and that's it. Your Ethereum will be transferred from Phantom to Binance within a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.